Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. Today's video is going to be on how to use the Smart Power Liftgate on the 2021 Kia Sorento EX Plus 2.5 Turbo all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's head inside. So the first step is going to be going into the infotainment system to make sure that the Smart Power Liftgate system is on. So I'm going to go into setup, pardon my glare from the sun, and go to vehicle. And then I'm going to scroll on the left to the door. And now I'm going to scroll, and now it's going to give us a few options. So we have to make sure the power liftgate is turned on. You can actually adjust the speed that it's going to open. So I'm going to select that and just show you while we're in here that you can change it to fast or normal. So right now we're going to keep it on fast. And then power liftgate opening height. Right now it's set to full open, and you can see the little diagram on the right hand side. Every time I change the level, you'll notice that it changes with it to kind of give you an idea where it's going to open. Or you can go to user height, and then you can press and hold the button. We're going to do that when we're back there, so you can save the height that you want it to open to. So right now we're going to set full open. I'm going to make sure that the smart liftgate is turned on. So now I'm going to head to the back of the vehicle, and we'll go from there. Now that we're at the rear of the vehicle, you have a few different options as to how you want to open it. So you have the button on the fob that you can press and hold for a few seconds and it will power open. You have the button on the outside of the vehicle just underneath the E there that you can hit and it will power open. Or we're going to use the Smart Power Liftgate. So I have the fob on me. We're going to walk up to the vehicle. It will beep a few times once you're within a few feet, and then it will just straight open for you. So we had set it to full open, so it's going to go to the highest setting. And what I'm going to show you is now there are two buttons available. So what we're going to do is this button would normally close it. If you want to manually adjust the tailgate to whatever height you want, you set it where you want and you press and hold that button for a second or two. Actually 3 seconds total. And now it's saved that height. So the next time we go to open it, it will only go that high. And the button to the right is a new lock button. So if you're completely done with your vehicle, you've done what you need to in the cargo area, you can go ahead and press that. It will continue to close the liftgate for you, and then it will lock the doors, and then you're all done with it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please go ahead and hit that like button. We always appreciate it. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. And also go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.